Got a good picture? Let me see. Let me see. Just go ahead and move it. That's fine. Okay. You want to, this button right here zooms in.
Well, now your fingers are on the way.
It's okay.
His fingers might be in the way.
Okay.
Make sure your fingers aren't in the way.
Okay, I've already
Go.
sanitized him. And I've already sanitized the blade. Okay, stay still, Triumph, okay? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Whatever.
Okay. Wow, that felt weird going in. Okay.
You might want a bigger
Ready?
bowl.
Are you on it, Kyle?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh.
It's okay, Triumph. It's okay, Triumph.
Okay, bud.
It's okay. Go ahead.
Alright.
Just wipe it up. Ready?
Oh!
It looks like crap.
If they only had smell-o-vision. Because this is... No, please stay, Triumph. Stay, stay,
boy,
bud. Good boy. Good boy.
Boy.
Good boy. Please, you gotta do the wipe up.
Are you watching, Becca?
She's watching between fingers. Good boy, Triumph.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy. I'm sure that feels better already, bud.
It looks better
Look at how
already.
smaller it is. Yeah, that's right. Get your face out of the way.
Mm-hmm.
Oh! All over my finger. Oh.
I felt that come out too.
Oh, can you smell it?
Mm-mm.
You want to smell it?
No, I don't.